Hello, here we are again. It is that time of the year. It is time for the Winter Jilly Box. I'm very excited. I'm now an actual subscriber, no longer an insider. So I got the box. This is the first time it was one of those stress-free worries for me. Anyway, let's take a look and see what we have inside. Hi, I'm Linda from A Labor of Life, and once again, I am bringing you the Jilly Box reveal. It's pretty exciting. Look at this. The box itself is so pretty. It's gonna go great on display. Let's move some stuff and see what we have. Everything is all pink and blue and feminine and celebratory to celebrate 5 years of the Jilly Box. How crazy is that? 5 years. Anyway, first off, the sized item everybody was aware of. The skirt from Dental Fawn comes in 4 different colors. And it's a serenade skirt in cream, rose smoke, blue serenity, or green lily. And guess which one I got? It's true. And I love it. So exciting. Anyway, skirt fits perfect. I ordered large. I'm usually 10, 12, right around there. So anyway, loving that. Next item, I already opened it up to try to speed things up a little, just a little bit. From the Cross, the patisserie cake plate. Look at this. She's a beauty. It's got a nice wide base, little lip on it to prevent spillage or dripping or whatever. Anyway, love this. I actually have a collection of cake plates, so as much as I may not have needed one, I love it. Next up, we have the bow and stud earrings. Oh, they're beautiful. They're in sterling with a rhinestone or diamond, I don't know. Anyway, they're beautiful. I'll show you a close-up here. These are the beautiful bow earrings, close up. Last time I did a video, I guess I didn't zoom in close enough for everything, so I will show you these close up. All right, next up, I'm trying to follow the order here. It looks like I lost something in my box. Okay, I'll skip that one for now. Let's go with the Home & Co. lighter. This is beautiful. It's silver, rechargeable. Don't lose your plug-in. I have another one of these in a rose gold. I love it. I actually lost the charger, so again, the lighter, close up. There you go. We have the most controversial item in the box, apparently, is the frayed ribbon. It's really pretty. I know a lot of people are having a hard time figuring out what to do with it. For me, wrapping presents is perfect. I think I might actually use them on my table to use to wrap my napkins and hold the napkins together. So They are, there's almost a dusty rose, a peach, and a blue in the true colors. Let's just zoom in on the ribbon. How pretty is that? And that is from Olf, O-L-F is the company. Ooh, fun. Generate Cakes sent a special Jilly Mix sprinkles. It is all shades of pink and creams and rose, and they're going to look lovely. My cake on my cake plate. Ooh, we have half-penny postage. There's 4 cards. I'll show you. We have, this calls for champagne in the green lily that I believe is for the skirt. We have, oh heck yeah, I believe matching the blue. And we have a whole lot of love, matches the pink or the cream, either. And you are simply the best. And each card is blank inside. So they're just special little notes you can send to somebody. Or you can be like me, and I'm going to frame them, because that sounds way more fun than sending them away. And that way I get to keep them and I get to see them all of the time. Let's look at these cards. Oh, then we have from Sugar Joy, Swedish Candy Mix. Again, in beautiful shades of peach, I believe. Haven't tried these yet, but you can be sure I will. Sweet candy, sweet treat in a sweet box. And then we have the Mary Mary candles. These are beautiful. They have the gold bottoms, and they are basically in the same shade as the skirt. Yet again, that is the theme kind of going through the box. Everything matches and is coordinated. And I think these are beautiful. So zoom in close up here for you, just so you can see them. Beautiful candles. And then the final item is the Minori Champagne Cream Highlighter. Oh, there we go. Is the makeup item included in the box. We have it. Ooh, it's pretty. Zoom in. The cream highlighter. Just so you can see it. It really is pretty. So, lots of items. They're smaller ticket items, but works for me. I'm finding it very festive and joyful and truly illustrative of Jilly and all that she's doing. So again, thanks for watching. Linda, Labor of Life, looking all merry and bright today. And if you like this, give me a double tap, thumbs up, subscribe, because you know me, I am going to share my Jilly box when I get it. And I love it. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the net.